Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my description, I got my Yes Oh Yes. So this is for April 2018. This is the first time it came in the bag. This is the third month that I got this subscription. The first one, I believe, came in like a really small box. Then last month was a bigger box, and this time is in this envelope. So I guess it just all depends on what you get. Now, I haven't watched anybody's videos. I do not know what's in here. I do know one spoiler that's going to be in here, which I'm excited. But this is my last month getting it, and then it'll renew. Every time I get a new subscription, I always try it for 3 months. So, in the comments below, let me know if you still want to see me unbox this. What do you think of it? Now, when I did get this, it was $12.99. Last month, they raised it to $13.99, and now it's $14.99. So this is what I don't really like about this subscription, that they keep raising their prices. But I am locked in at $12.99 because I did get it for $12.99. So let me know what you guys think, if it is worth $15. Plus, you have to pay for shipping. So I don't like that. I'm using my handy dandy scissors to open this up. That's the only thing, but we shall see what is in here. So that's what it looks like. Now, usually it doesn't come with a card. So what is this? Oh, so this month it came with a card. This is the first time. So it says April 2018, and it does have the prices on there. So it says this month the total retail value is $104.96. So let's just see. Okay, let me take everything out. All right, so the first thing that I see is from Girlactik. So this looks like it's an eyeliner in the shade gray. So one thing I like about that, because we're so used to getting black, 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 right? So I'm glad it's a different color. So this just says no smudging. Here, the waterproof angle eyeliner twists up and never needs sharpening. Retail value is $19.99. Now, let me see. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, so it does look like this, which is nice. And let's see. It's very creamy, and it is a gray, and I like that. I'm going to give it a second to dry, and then we'll see if it smudges. Okay. The next thing I see is from Terra Mineral. I always say that. Mineral. I always say minimal. Cosmetics. So that's nice. Oh, this is a bronzer. So this is a mineral bronzer. And it looks like it's shimmery, so I'm not going to open it up because I don't wear shimmery bronzers. I will put this in a giveaway. So what does it say? It says sweep on some sunshine, a silky lightweight bronzer that leaves behind a radiant glow. Matches every skin tone. Retail value $24.99. And it is in the color MB2 Sensual. But yeah, anytime it says glowy or anything like that, you know it will have a little shimmer. So that's nice. I know somebody will like that. Then we have Mana Kadar, which I do like Mana Kadar products. This is a mascara. This is the Flutter mascara. This retails for $29.99. Sometimes you think, do they mark up the prices? What I will do in my description box, if you want to check it up, I'm going to look up all of these items and put down below what I find the prices to be, and then we will go from there. I'm not going to open this because so many mascaras, but that's what it looks like. And it is in the shade Jet Black, which I like. But I might put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure. It's because I have so many. But this is what I was excited for. This is a 12-piece makeup brush set from Crown. So that is really nice. And it comes with the bag. How much does it say the retail value for? This would be $29.99. So 30 bucks. So let's just see how the brushes are. Okay. So this is like a plasticky you know, makeup brush thing, and it has like you know, buttons here, magnetic, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see. And you would just open up this flap. Now this is very cheap made or looking, you know, but I do like it. I mean, I think it's nice, you know, so if you're traveling or anything like that. I don't want to seem too negative, but these brushes are extremely soft. They look like the Wet n Wild brushes, but they're way too soft for me. I like them more dense. For me to do any contour or blush, they're just way too soft. So I will most likely put this in a giveaway. So that's the thing. Everything I got I'm putting in the giveaway except for this, which I will see if it smudges. So for me, this month really wasn't worth it. I was really excited about these brushes because, you know, the picture looked nice, but I'd rather give it to somebody that I know will use this. This is like another little eye brush. And yeah, they're just way too soft for me. Now, this is just, you know, a personal thing. You guys might like it. So I think I'm going to end up canceling this. This is going to be my last box. I'm not going to renew it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. So let's see if it smudges. No, it does not smudge. And I'm pressing it pretty hard. Well, yeah, it does a little bit and it's taken off. But it didn't feel like it was 100% dry. So yeah, the only thing I'm going to keep is this, and everything else I'm getting rid of. So for me, it's not worth it, this box. Like I said, look in my description box, and I will see if these prices are true to its value. And let me know. All right, I got in my Ipsy, so I'm going to do that next. And I'm waiting for my Ricky's Cult Crushes. Oh, update on Ricky's Cult Crushes. If you are on the wait list, this Wednesday coming at 12 o'clock noon Eastern time, they are opening up the wait list and you can get May's box. So make sure you're on there because they say it's only first come, first serve. So get on there at 12 noon. I would get there on like 11:55 a.m. Eastern time and wait and try to grab you a box for May. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.